Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Now, we have been doing a lot with these DEPO LCI taillights, both in the red and the black line. But there's one problem. All of the lights are these amazing LEDs, but there's one halogen bulb, the reverse lamp. So today, we're going to show you how to change that by installing error-free LED bulbs to replace that halogen. So here's how you do it. So if you look right there, we can see where our reverse lamp is, and you can see our halogen bulb. You just take this piece right there and pull it straight out. Then what you need to do is grab the bulb. Now, if you plan on reusing these halogen bulbs, don't touch the glass because your oils or your skin will get on the bulb, and then they burn out faster. You press it down, you turn it a little bit, and you're gonna wiggle it straight out, just like that. Then what you do is you line up these little notches right there, just like that, twist it in, and it's fully installed. Once you've done that, you just take it and press it into place. So let's remove this carpeting and install them. All right, so with the carpeting removed, super easy access. We're not going to be reusing these halogens, so I'm going to touch the bulb, push these in, then we'll get these and we'll just press them right into place. Then we'll do the same on the other side. Now that they're fully installed, let's throw the car in reverse and check out how good they look. And as you can see, when we put the car in reverse, there's no errors. And as you saw, those LEDs are really the missing link to this piece to make everything LED. So if you're interested in a set, be sure to see the description, and we have a link for you down there. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. And be sure to check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Again, my name is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.